Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to watch TikTok videos online without downloading anything, because if you are watching this video and if you are from India, you know in India TikTok is banned, it's not working anymore. So I'm gonna show you, if you are following someone and you want to watch the videos of some people's, so how you can watch online. So it is a website name called rapats.com. I don't know if I spelled properly or not, but never mind. You have to search of this website. You have to click the first link. Interface looks something like this. You have to search a username of your friend or your whoever you like for a celebrity. For example, I will type Justin and I will search. It doesn't matter whoever, and let's go for Justin Bieber. Over here you can see the likes, upload, followers, and you can check out the videos. And if you will open the video, you can see the video over here. If you want, you are also having the option to download. So guys, that's what I want to show you in this quick video. I hope this video was little helpful for you. I have made another video, the link is given in the description, so also check out that video. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out. Bye friends.